Ever felt like your money is just sitting there, doing absolutely nothing? Like it's a couch potato, but with less personality and definitely no snacks. You've probably heard whispers about investments, stocks, and this magical thing called compounding interest. But let's be real, it sounds like Greek to most of us. That's where platforms like StashAway come in. They promise to turn your money from a lazy couch potato into a marathon runner. But how do you even get started? That's what we're about to break down. So, you're thinking about diving into the world of investing. Good for you. But where do you start? Do you need a degree in finance? A suit? A really fancy calculator? Nope, not at all. Thanks to platforms like StashAway, investing can be as simple as ordering your groceries online. But before you click that sign up button, let's get a clear picture of what you're getting into. What is StashAway? In the simplest terms, it's a robo-advisor. Think of it as a smart, automated financial assistant. You give it your money, tell it your goals, retirement, buying a house, world domination, okay, maybe not that last one, and it invests your money for you. No fancy jargon, no complicated spreadsheets. Just your money working hard while you enjoy life. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about how to actually open a StashAway account. It's easier than you think. First things first, you'll need to head over to the StashAway website or download their app. Don't worry, it's available on both iOS and Android. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a friendly sign-up page. Enter your basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. It's like filling out a basic online form, but with a much better payoff. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure, and it's pretty straightforward. You'll usually need a government-issued ID, like your passport or driver's license. Once you've verified your identity, it's time to link your bank account. This is where the magic happens. StashAway will need access to transfer your funds for investment. Don't worry, your money is safe. StashAway uses top-notch security measures to protect your information. Now, here comes the fun part, choosing your investment plan. StashAway offers different plans to suit different goals and risk tolerances. They'll ask you a few questions about your financial situation and investment goals to help you choose the right plan. Don't worry if you're not sure about something. StashAway provides plenty of information to help you make an informed decision. Once you've selected your plan, it's time to fund your account. You can choose to invest a lump sum or set up automatic transfers. The minimum investment amount varies depending on the plan, but it's usually quite reasonable. And that's it. You've officially opened your StashAway account. Now, sit back, relax, and watch your money grow. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. But with consistent investing and the power of compounding interest, you could be well on your way to financial freedom. StashAway also offers a bunch of other features to help you stay on top of your investments. You can track your performance, adjust your investment strategy, and even set up automatic withdrawals for your goals. It's like having a personal financial coach in your pocket. But remember, while StashAway is a great tool, it's not a magic wand. Investing always carries some risk. It's important to do your own research and understand the potential risks and rewards before investing your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Happy investing.